And what I'm saying to you now, the circle that you have made is a place of action. The dot in the middle is the amount of energy that you can use. How are you going to use it? It's entirely up to you. You decide. And perhaps this is one of the best methods to show you how much you are in control of your own life when you think it's everybody else and circumstances control your life. And if the energy from the center, that means from your little dot, goes in any particular direction, let us for the time being stay with north and south and east and west, because that will help our communication. Then consider that there is no smaller symbol that you can produce for anything. A symbol always presents something. And the dot is the smallest symbol that you can create, because there's really no symbol for power, your power in many different shapes and forms, or many expressions. There is no symbol for your essence that you could use, and there is no power even for cosmic energy, for consciousness. We have created symbols, but the power in all this cannot, it's almost like in physics. You can see an atom, but you make little dots and lines when you communicate about the subject. So the dot is the very smallest symbol that you can use. And the dot doesn't really say much unless it says something to you individually. Have you ever been thinking that you could be a power field? You're aware when you came here, first to the various courses and classes, you felt inadequate, you didn't have self-esteem, you didn't have self-worth, but you had a lot of negative power. Did you ever make the choice to turn it in the opposite? Only you can make that choice. Nobody else can. So we will see how you are using this power as we carry on a little further. When you think about this, you cannot help but becoming aware that you're running in circles. Now, running in circles is not very good, because you exert power for nothing, no results. But if you then retreat into the center, to that dot, and try to become aware of what power is and what power means, then you can see maybe an expansion of yourself into concentric circles. It's like throwing a stone in the water and watching the concentric circles. And we may stay for a moment even with that symbol, or that kind of illustration, because when the water moves in those concentric circles, there's no particular change. It's the waves, it's a movement. It's not different water. And the concentric circles are only coming because of the impact of that stone that you have thrown in the water. So that is very important for you to remember